Hello, so my name is Nicole, and for my cultural representation project, I decided to focus on my mostly like my dad and cooking. So, something that him and I share that we've always really had between each other was food. We're Italian, so we cook a lot. Um, but what I chose to talk about was pizza. So first off, you have to start, and I'll just like walk through um, how we make it and how he makes it and stuff like that. So you start off with you have to make the sauce for the pizza. So you get the two cans of the regular tomato sauce and then one small can of tomato paste, and then he puts in all these different things: basil leaves, onion. There's whole onions, um, black pepper, oregano, sometimes garlic. Um, so that you just see all our spices in there. So there's really no measurements. I would love to tell you exactly how to make it. He kind of just tosses them in there as much as he feels like it and always add more, but he doesn't have an actual recipe really. But kind of throw it in there to however you usually like it. And you just, stir everything around so you can see the different seasonings once the sauce is all mixed together in there. After that, you have to put the dough together. So we don't make our own dough. We usually go and get the dough from our pizzeria that's right up the road. So you toss some flour onto the countertop and put the dough on there, and then you can see him actually flipping it up in the air and tossing it so it stretches out so it's actually the size for the pizza. And then that you do as much as you want depending on how thin or thick you want it. That's just more. And then after that, you're going to take the sauce that we just made and put it on the dough as much as you want, as little as you want, depending on how you like it. And that third picture over there, you can see the mozzarella and the big Tupperware there, but then he's just putting some Parmesan on it first, and then you put the cheese on, and then it is all ready to go in the oven. So you leave it in there. It does not take long, maybe like 10, 15 minutes. It really is all personal liking, if you want it more crunchy or if you like it more doughy or if how thick it is, but pretty much cook it till, however you'd like it, and then take it out in that 10, 15 minutes, and it is ready to eat. And let me tell you, it is fantastic. It is something that he's made for a really long time. He makes it for some family parties and stuff like that, but it's just something that I really, really enjoy. So, thank you.